Hello, my name's John. I'm a physical therapist and I'm also a board certified orthopedic specialist for physical therapy. I'm very inflexible, so today I'm going to show you how stiff people stretch, and we're going to focus on the shoulder. I hope you guys enjoy. So the first exercise is going to work on opening up your shoulders into external rotation, because a lot of people, when they're stiff, have a difficult time externally rotating. And if you're ever doing a front squat, you'll notice you don't have the mobility. Oftentimes it's because of the lack of external rotation. So today I'm going to show you how stiff people should stretch that area. What you're going to do is get on the floor on your stomach. You're going to try to take your elbows and you're going to bring them as close together as you possibly can. And then you're going to put your hands on each side of your face and then try to just gently extend your trunk. And you're going to feel a pull on the lateral sides of your shoulders. Remember, you should not be feeling pain with this. If you're feeling pain with this, you probably should stop. If you want a little bit more difficulty, make a fist. What this is going to do is just pull your hands out more into external rotation. Hold this position for up to 2 minutes if you can. Gentle, 2 to 3, tension out of 10. So the next stretch is going to work on stretching the front of your body, like your pecs and also your bicep. Remember, gentle is key here. We're just trying to gently stretch. So what we're going to do is lay on our front again. Rest your head and take your leg and cross it over and try to stretch that right anterior portion of your chest and your bicep. If you want to make it more difficult, inch your hand forward and then just switch. And again, inch your hand forward to feel a little bit more aggressive in the stretch. No pain with any of these. Hold it up to 2 minutes. The next exercise is going to be thoracic quadruped extension. It's one of my go-tos for any kind of lat stretch, and it helps you just pick yourself up straight and avoid any of this upper cross syndrome type positioning. So what you're going to do is go into a quadruped position, hands and knees, walk your hands out, point your thumbs up to the sky, and push your chest in to the floor. And you should feel a stretch all along your mid-back and maybe even the outer portions of your shoulders. This will increase your range of motion in your shoulders and improve your posture. Again, up to a 2-minute hold. Gentle, 2 to 3 out of 10 in terms of intensity, no pain. So the last stretch we're going to do is stretch the posterior capsule of the shoulder, really going to help with any kind of range of motion in the body. So we're going to go into a quadruped position again on your hands and your knees. Point your one hand just a little bit farther and then reach as far as you can with your other hand and drive your shoulder to the floor, gently stretching that posterior capsule of your shoulder. Hold it for up to 2 minutes. Again, no pain. And then just switch. Bring your shoulder straight to the floor. So that concludes my shoulder series of if you're stiff, ways to stretch. And one really good amount of information is all of these exercises are passively loading through your body weight. So you're not having to constantly hold, like doing a hamstring stretch and holding it up and then fatiguing out your arms. Your body weight is pushing on these structures so you can increase and decrease to meet your tolerance, and you can be super lazy about it. It's super easy, super convenient. All you need is a floor and a yoga mat. Thanks, guys.